Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you're going to see how to change username on TikTok. So let's head over to the TikTok application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then tap on your username or the nickname. And here, tap on edit. And as you can see, there is the username option in here. Head over there. Now, if you want to change your username, you can change it in here and make sure your TikTok username is available. And then there's another thing that is username can contain only lowercase letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile link. And then there's another important information that you can change your username once every 30 days. So when you change your username to the new one, make sure that you have do that maintaining caution, because once you change your username, you can't change it for the next 30 days. So once you do that, just tap on save and your username will be saved. So yeah, this is how you can change your username. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.